Book review: Thomas Samuel Kuhn, The Structure of Scientific Revolutions. Today we will see the book The Structure of Scientific Revolution. In the history of logic, there is a process of justification where origin theory encounters counterexample and new theory emerges to explain it, and a common part of this new theory and old theory is accepted as a new theorem. This is presented by Hegel, but Thomas Samuel Kuhn developed more specific model for scientific revolutions. Thomas Kuhn thought all theories replicate with a new theory, and there's no compromise between them. So only one theory survives, and the development of science is not continuously but discrete, which looks simple, but there is only limited people who can understand this, because only scientists can understand this. There existed original science, but there is a phenomenon which original science cannot explain, so only new mathematics can explain that, and new science using the mathematics appears, and new science replaces the old science, which is the moment when scientific revolution happens. This is simple principle, so anyone can understand this, but for scientists they can find another property of that. We'll see the next example. Last 1800, European scientists encountered one conundrum: the relation between wavelengths of light from melting pot and the color of the light from it cannot be explained within original science. So even though industry requires search, scientists couldn't explain why. But with the assumption that wavelengths of light is not continuously but discrete, they can explain the phenomenon, which was the moment quantum mechanics when the wavelengths of light is related with electron and electron was discrete. So this was the reason wavelengths is discrete. So you may see this event as the moment when quantum mechanics defeat classical mechanics. Because before that event, no one thinks in a quantum mechanical way, so scientific revolution happened. But even though this event, classical mechanics didn't vanish, we scientists still use it a lot. Quantum mechanics explains microworld general relativity planes, macroworld, which is about enormously large or small. But for normal event, classical mechanics always works. So to test the equation of quantum mechanics, we put infinity value to that. Then the equation should be same as classical equation. And to test equation of general relativity theory, we put very small value to that. Then the equation should be small with classical equation. The only problem is there is no way to explain quantum mechanics within special relativity or vice versa. So we use classical mechanics even in quantum mechanics and relativity theory, which means classical mechanics works well in normal situation. So this is the secret in scientific revolution, which was only scientists know. Classical mechanics is still very important, and a lot of scientists still study, though it is very difficult. So the scientific revolution only be understood well when you actually study modern science.